I'm Siegel with LSR Advisors. Welcome to our video. Today we're going to discuss Tesla. This is video Learn, Profit, and Repeat. Tesla came out with news earlier this week that they had about 22,000 units for the second quarter, and that was below some expectations. We're okay with that. Why? How can you be okay with that? Because Elon Musk said on last quarter that many of the customers, they were getting confused that the Model 3 is going to take over for the Model S and X. But really it's a lower price model. So really it shows you the weakness that's going on in Q2. It shows you how excited the customers are for the coming model. So actually it can be pretty good news. So we think actually over the next 2 quarters, next 3 to 6 months, the stock is going to start moving up again. We think it can hit $400 plus. That's our price target. Why? We get, if you go to our website, lsrllc.com, and hit earnings models, you'll see all our models there that we're building, and you can see how we got to the Tesla numbers. We're using 50 times $8 for next year. The story here is like this. You have 25% of the short float, of the float short. What does it mean? It means that of the outstanding shares, you have 25% of the outstanding shares somebody borrowed from their broker just to sell it in the open market. What does it mean? It means that as soon as you get any sort of good news, those people are going to be forced to cover their shorts back with their brokers. They're going to have to buy the stock in the open market. That's going to help the stock to rise. What's going to drive that is that people are getting excited that this Model 3 is going to launch successfully. That's the short story. The short story is saying that the Model 3 isn't going to work. Why? Because Elon Musk and Tesla, they're expecting a fourfold jump in production from what they already have in the Model S and X. They have 100,000 units. They're expecting to produce 400,000 units of Model 3. And they say they can do 500,000 units of production. It's a huge jump in production next year in 2018. So all investing eyes are waiting to see if they can deliver on the production ramp of the Model 3. We already have the orders. So you already have 100,000 units in S and X roughly, and you have orders, people waiting to buy your Model 3. They just need to get the production right. If they can get it right and we start to see this ramp, the stock is going to take off. We think because of the 25% short interest, you're going to get that anyway, just going into the third and fourth quarter, which is now. Why? Because bulls are going to start to get excited that this ramp is happening real time, and the shorts are going to be forced to cover. That's the story. We invite you to go to our website, check out the article, check out our earnings numbers on Tesla so you can come to your own model. You can figure out where the earnings are realistically going. We break down the different divisions, the different margins per division, and how it runs through the income statement. So you can decide if you think Tesla is at a realistic valuation, it's too expensive, or maybe it's too cheap if they get this Model 3 right. We're wishing you a lot of success in investing and trading, and we're happy that you joined us. It's Chaim Siegel with LSR Advisors. Learn, profit, repeat.